Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Bookstack. In order to do so, head over to bookstackapp.com and let's just take a look at the homepage here to find out what Bookstack is all about. Bookstack is a simple, self-hosted, easy to use platform for organizing and storing information. And we've got three options here: GitHub, Demo, and Install. Let's go ahead and take a look at each. So this is going to take us to the GitHub where you can download the code and you can install it this way. If you are not familiar with GitHub, I wouldn't recommend using that necessarily. It is more advanced, but you can always try if you're interested in getting into GitHub. There are plenty of tutorials that can help you through that process. If we click on demo here, then we have a few options. Let's see here. Bookstack demo. We have the Bookstack demo site. So let's go ahead and click on that. Logging into the demo site. So if you want to log into the demo site, then you can use this email and password in order to log in. And you can access the login page with the above credentials pre-filled by clicking here. And that will bring us to the Bookstack demo site. And if we click on login, then it's going to ask us to save our password. Let's go ahead and try that out. I'll try this again here. Okay. So it does appear that we are in the demo site, but let's go ahead and let's head back to the installation page. We'll give that a try. So below you can find details on how to install Bookstack on your own hosting. There are a number of installation options. Depending on your setup, the install process will require some knowledge of hosting a PHP web application and database. Just scroll down here a bit. So in order to do a manual installation, this project currently uses the release branch of the Bookstack GitHub repository as a stable channel for providing updates. The installation is currently somewhat complicated and will be made simpler in future releases. Some PHP or Laravel experience will make this easier. So you're going to need to go through the steps here in order to complete the installation this way. And we also have Ubuntu installations as well. So we'll just bypass this for now. It is free and open source, an easy and simple interface, but it is going to require some advanced knowledge of installation. You are going to need to either use it from the demo site, or if you want to do the installation, then the best way to go about it is probably the GitHub, or you can do the Ubuntu installation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.